We will now take this problem from JEE Advanced 2020 paper 1, which is a very easy and straightforward question. Now, as I always keep telling that the problem in JEE Advanced are not necessarily very tough, very difficult. Sometimes they can be very easy, and this is one such question. Here in the question, what it says is, let small m be the minimum possible value of log of 3 to the power y1 plus 3 to the power y2 plus 3 to the power y3 with the base 3, where y1, y2, y3 are the real numbers for which y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal to 9. And let capital M be the maximum possible value of log of x1 with the base 3 plus log of x2 with the base 3 plus log of x3 with the base 3, where x1, x2, x3 are positive real numbers for which x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 9. Then what we need is to find out the value of log of small m cube with the base 2 plus log of capital M square with the base 3. So what does this mean in this question? They have given us two expressions, one is this one and another is this one, and the minimum value of this expression is small m and the maximum value of this expression is capital M, and what we need is to find out this expression which is in terms of small m and capital M. So how I will start is, I will take the first expression which is log of 3 raised to the power y1 plus 3 raised to the power y2 plus 3 raised to the power y3 with the base 3. Now as we know that log is a increasing function, so here if I take the minimum value of whatever is there inside the log, that would be the minimum value of the entire log function. So my focus will be on what is there inside the log, which is 3 to the power y1 plus 3 to the power y2 plus 3 to the power y3, and what I have been given is y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 9, which clearly means that I can make use of arithmetic mean, geometric mean inequality, which says that the sum of these three values divided by 3 is their arithmetic mean, which is always greater than or equal to their geometric mean, which is 3 to the power y1 into 3 to the power y2 into 3 to the power y3 raised to the power 1 upon 3. Now I can say that 3 to the power y1 plus 3 to the power y2 plus 3 to the power y3, 3 to the power y3, and this 3 will come on to the right hand side. So this is always greater than or equal to 3 raised to the power, I can say 3 to the power, because using the law of indices these powers will get added up. So you get y1 plus y2 plus y3, and this is raised to the power 1 by 3. So I can say y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, and we have been given that y1 plus y2 plus y3 is 9. So this is 9 upon 3. So this becomes 3 to the power 3. So this value is always greater than or equal to 3 to the power 3 into 3, which is 3 to the power 4, which is the minimum possible value of this particular expression, 3 to the power y1 plus 3 to the power y2 plus 3 to the power y3. So I can say that this value will always be greater than or equal to 3 log of, because there is a log sign here, so log of this value, which is 3 to the power 4 with the base 3. That means this expression is always greater than this 4 will come in front. So log of 3 with the base 3 is 1. That means this expression is always greater than or equal to 4, which is nothing but our small m. So I can say the value of our small m is equal to 4. Similarly, we will find out the capital M, for which we have been given that capital M is the maximum value of this expression, log of x1 with the base 3 plus log of x2 with the base 3 plus log of x3 with the base 3, and log will convert the sum into product. That means I can write it as log of x1 into x2 into x3 with the base 3. Now again I will use the arithmetic mean geometric mean inequality, which means I can say that x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 is greater than or equal to the product x1 into x2 into x3 raised to the power 1 upon 3. Now what is x1 plus x2 plus x3 in this question? It is given that it is equal to 9. So 9 upon 3 is equal to 3, which is greater than x1 into x2 into x3 raised to the power 1 by 3. That means our x1 into x2 into x3 raised to the power 1 by 3. So power will go on to the left hand side, becomes 3 to the power 3. That means this value is less than or equal to 27. That means the maximum value of x1 into x2 into x3 is 27. So this expression is always less than or equal to log of 27, or I can say 3 to the power 3 with the base 3. This 3 comes in the front, so this will be less than or equal to 3. What does this indicate? This indicate that the value of our capital M is equal to 3. This is the second important result. We got small m, we got capital M. This we will simply substitute in this particular expression. So what I will write? I will write log of, this is a small m which is 4. So I will write 4 cube with the base 2 plus log of capital M which is equal to 3. So this will be 3 square with the base, here it is 3. So 3 will come on the front. So this will be 3 times log of 4. This is 3 times log of 4 with the base 2 plus this 2 comes in front. So you get 2 log of 3 with the base 3. So log of 4 with the base 2 is log of 2 square, which is equal to 2. 2 comes multiplied with 3 will give you 6. And this 3 is log of 3 with the base 3 is 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. So this will be equal to 8. So the value of this expression will be equal to 8. So 8 will be the answer to this question. So this way we can easily solve this particular question. Now suppose if somebody does not know anything about AMGM inequality, for him also it is very easy to solve. The reason being is both the expression are symmetrical with respect to y1, y2 and y3, and this is symmetrical with respect to x1, x2 and x3. And if somebody doesn't know anything, he will simply think like this, that because the expression is symmetrical about x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3, he will say that even if I interchange these values, it doesn't make any difference. So the minimum and maximum value of both the expression will come from when all the three values are equal. That means when y1 equal to y2 equal to y3, what will happen is, because their sum is equal to 9, then all the three values will be equal to 3. So if I write 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power 3, the sum of these values with the base 3, so I will get 3 into 3 to the power 3, which is 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 with the base 3 log 4 will come here. So this value will have minimum possible is 4. So we get capital small m is equal to 4, which I have written it over here. Similarly, if I say if all the three values x1, x2, x3, all the three values are equal, from there only I would get extreme value of this whole sum. So here x1, x2, x3, if all three of them equal, then their value will be equal to 3. So I will write log of 3 plus log of 3 plus log of 3, which is log of 27 with the base 3, which is equal to 3. So that's how I get capital M is equal to 3. So this is another approach to solve this question. You would get the same result in this manner also. So this way you can easily solve this particular question.